Afrobeat star Damini Eboluwa Ogulu, known professionally as Burna Boy, and a businessman, Pascal Okechukwu, famously known as Cubana chief priest, have been throwing subtle shade against each other. Social media has been set agog as these two prominent celebrities continue to trade words back and forth. It may interest you that the online beef had started when Burna Boy called the celebrity businessman and lyrics source. As Burna Boy shares some interesting revelations, drama intensified between the two. The clash continues to eat up when Cubana chief priest revealed how Burna Boy got his Grammy award, stating that is the reason he's so pained and going about looking for who to displace his anger on. The chief priest called Burna Boy an African princess, emphasizing that is why he's still in pain. After all, he was the one who won the Grammy award. It's so clear because how is it even possible that someone who brags to be so rich will live in so much pain? Wetin dey pain you? Shebi na you be African princess. Only you rush bend down collect Grammy. Only you still dey cry. Cubana chief priest wrote. In a separate post, the businessman claimed that Burna Boy was owing debts for jewelry. Burna Boy, who reacted to this, noted that the kind of lifestyle he lives is such that pays for everything he buys completely in cash. He added that he doesn't owe money like Cubana chief priest boss. Else, his face would have been all over the blogs. While sensing that Burna Boy's shade might be directed at him, Cubana chief priest fired back at the Kilometer Corner in a post on his X page, saying, "Didi oil is the fastest way to get post-traumatic stress disorder. You never see anything. You and you bend down collect Grammy." Cubana chief priest fired back at Burna Boy on his X page. Recall that Burna Boy reacted to a panel jump on him while performing on Greater Lagos stage on 1st of January 2025. Saying he has post-traumatic stress disorder. While reacting to the online fight between the pair, Speed Darlington's lawyer, Stan Aleke, dared Burna Boy to arrest Cubana chief priest, since his petition against Speed Darlington claimed that the Diddy oil banter caused him irreparable damage to his international reputation. Amidst the clash between the duos, Cubana chief priest vows to help Speed Darlington regain his freedom amid ongoing beef with Burna Boy. It will be recalled that Speed Darlington has been in jail for weeks now over his controversial remarks about the Grammy Award winner. However, Cubana chief priest vowed to help Speed Darlington become free by Monday 6 January 2025. Meanwhile, in another viral post, the Grammy winner posted a video of a man who claimed to be Cubana's brother, saying that he worked as a phone repairer. Burna Boy pledged to give the alleged brother $30,000 if his followers could find him. The mother of Cubana's alleged brother appreciates Burna Boy's kind gesture. Cubana chief priest clarified that the man in the viral video receiving the money from Burna Boy is not his sibling. Contrary to widespread speculation, he stated that he would rather give millions of naira to a fan that was kicked by Burna Boy during his performance at a recent show. Meanwhile, Isaac Fayoshe, an internet personality and brother of former Ekiti State Governor, questions Cubana chief priest for not helping his alleged family, noting that charity begins at home. Amidst the online feud, a Kenyan lady surfaced online, claiming to have had a son with Okechukwu.
My name is Helen.
Chief priest.
Hello everyone, my name is Helen. I am the lady who has a child with Cubana chief priest. I am a Kenyan lady.
In a comment under a post about the lady, Burna Boy vowed to relocate the woman and her baby to Nigeria. This video was shared by content creator Lucky Udo on his Instagram page. Burna Boy has extended a remarkable offer to Eileen, pledging to relocate her and her 2-year-old child to Nigeria. Cubana chief priest debunked the rumor of having a child outside wedlock with a woman in Kenya on Sunday via his Instagram page. He wrote, "It's a huge disrespect to me to say my child was born in Kenya of all places. God forbid. I assemble my babies in Nigeria and make them in America. I'm too detailed to do such low-key." Speaking on his marriage, the businessman noted, "My marriage is bulletproof. My relationship with my wife is built on so much love, loyalty, respect, and wealth. It is indestructible." Cubana chief priest took to his page to indirectly shade Burna Boy of his potency to make children, as Burna Boy intends to relocate the alleged baby mama and son. He wrote, "En route airport our alleged family is coming from Kenya, courtesy African princess. Person wey im team no dey work, don see opportunity to get pikin o. God is good. Shebi na you talk say we be bloodline. Osuribile o." Many online commentators have called on the reigning party to sheath their swords. Mixed reactions have thrown this online fight, with many raising eyebrows about the Afrobeat singer, imploring him to be conscious of his career. We will continue to monitor the story closely. Please drop your opinion in the comment box section below and stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more entertainment news updates.